traffic, guys. Ayan. So, balik kayo na naman, guys. Wala namang birthday, wala namang celebration. Get together lang. So, ayan. Ang panahon ngayon, ayan, lagi lang ganito, guys. Ayan, makulimlim. Mahangin-hangin sa labas. May dala-dala nga pala ako, guys. Ayan, no. Ito ang aking nakatokay. Wala kasi akong tayo magluto kasi galing ako sa work. Ayan. Umuwi. Ayan. Nagpila ko ng mga prutas. Ito, pagdating ko doon sa kanila, kasi daw magpajama daw kami. Palit na lang ako. Ayan. Ayan. Tapos, nagdala ko ng sili kasi kailangan ng sili. Labuyo. Tapos, orange and ano pang ginla ko? Ano ba yun? Ayan, grapes. Yan lang guys ang aking share kasi wala akong time. I work kasi ako Monday to Friday kaya wala tayong masyadong may share na luto. Dapat sana luluto ako ng Bicol Express kasi yun talagang gusto nila. Wala talaga akong time, guys. So from morning ako nag-work hanggang alas 3 ng hapon. So we'll see, guys. Sa town na tayo, guys. Medyo moderate ngayon kasi labasan na sila, guys, from work. Ito yung niya, guys. Ang ganda na ng kulay kasi springtime. Ang ganda ng kulay ng mga dahon. Yellow, red. Ayan, guys, so ang ganda, diba? Yan ang maganda dito sa pag springtime. Well, today wala masyadong guys, hindi masyado busy sa work. Mostly nga lagi silang nag-ask for voluntary time off para makauwi ng maaga. Wala masyadong trabaho sa trabaho. Pero okay lang. Malapit na tayo. So how many minutes left, be? 1 minute? 1 mile? Yeah. We were in, what's this? Wilson. What street is this? Parker Street. What kind of this one? Warehouse?
Soap factory.
Soap factory. And this is the train station. Yeah, Warrington Banquet Station, train station. So, hindi naman ako pwedeng mag-inom kasi bukas may work. May work bukas, not allowed. Just get together. This is guys, yung mga outdoor na itong Go outdoors. This is Warrington area, guys. The Warrington Center, yeah. Oops.
After 500 yards, leave the roundabout at the fourth exit.
It's better you use your camera camcorder, yeah. This area, it's like so spacious, big. I always forget this road going to Marisa because she said to me that easier to go to her workplace, which is on that side, yeah. Honest. Is it a church? This.
Turn second left, then take the next left turn.
Is it this way going to Stockton Heath? Oh. So it's near, yeah? On this first.
turn next left.
Left.
Then immediately take the
First
next
left.
right turn.
Here, yeah? Be careful. I think that side. Here.
Turn
Here.
next right. Then take the next
This
left
one?
Yeah,
turn.
I think so. We are here
Are
already.
you sure?
I think so.
It's this one? Not that side?
No, just only in the
Oh, oh. Manghang ito masyado? Hindi. Oh, thank you.
Yung husband mo.
Kumain na? Mars, no, sure. Relax. Sinigang? Oh, sinigang ba ito? Yeah.
Hipon na sinigang. Kaya akala ko naka-on.
Naka-on siya.
Hindi.
Ganyan?
Walang ganyan, ano eh.
Mas meron?
Alay ka dito!
Wala.
Akala.
Dali, bili.
Bakit ang kokwa?